Viewers and subscribers, welcome back on this platform. I'm Asu Peters, the voice of the people, the voice of God, and the voice of our ancestors, speaking the truth, even right at the face of intimidation, harassment, and fear of terror. With respect to the arrest, brutal manhandling of veteran actor Chinwetalu Agu because he wore a Biafran insignia as an outfit.
And you are now promoting insecurity. Please look for another clue for him.
See, no. I can wear this. My vehicle is parked at the center of our people.
No worry, that one.
Hold on. So, this is rising. This is sun. This is rising sun, not Biafra, not Eastern Security Network. Do you understand? Stand up. So, with my education, I know areas to go, areas not to go. It could be better for you to be videoing all this. Your guy is talking. Your guy is talking. Your guy is talking. So let's listen to the facts. They know how to react to the facts. This is
the implication of this thing.
Rising sun. Me, I believe that.
More than 30 minutes.
I was right.
Gather people.
If you talk about well, this is just civil dress.
Come this way.
I was buying bread, 10,000 naira bread, sharing them one.
Come this way. Come this way.
No campaign, nothing. Sharing bread, 10,000 worth of bread. When they came, nobody was doing demonstration or carrying people along. People who were hungry, I was giving them bread.
I tell you.
I was giving them bread.
Then deploy.
Is it wrong to give to feed?
Thank you very much, members of Actors Guild of Nigeria. Mr. President sent me here yesterday because of the problem with the Army had with Chinwetalu Agu. I'm here at the 82nd Division, Nigerian Army Headquarters in Enugu. This is Chinwetalu Agu. Mr. President, American rulers, this is Chinwetalu Agu. He is hale and healthy. Nothing happened to him. He is accepted with the army, and he is actually a happy man. Do you have anything to say to him?
Keep on supporting knowledge. It's the only hope, the only baby we have to sustain both our public and our private lives. Thank you very much.
The federal government knows as much as I do that that unarmed, innocent old actor did not commit any crime known whatsoever within the Nigerian constitutions or laws. What the federal government prescribed was IPOB as a group, as an organization led by Nnamdi Kanu. And they too know well that they cannot proscribe indigenous people of Biafra as a people, because that is whom we are. And we must all appreciate that fact, that there are other ethnic nationalities in Nigeria who are proud to identify themselves as Arewas or Duduwas. None is being harassed for being whom they are. And I appreciate the situation of the federal government and the politicians who are always sitting on the edge when it comes to Biafra. We must all appreciate the fact that Biafra is an integral part of our history, and we should not be ashamed of it. That is the truth. And the rising sun had become our national identity as a people coming from the land of the East, the land of the rising sun. The knowledge of these facts will enable my people, the Biafran people, to conduct themselves adequately and not fall victim of ignorance, especially when it had to do with contact with the Nigerian Federal Authority, who are at any opportunity will intimidate, harass, and put you in the kind of condition Chinwetalu Agu found himself. Indigenous people of Biafra is not an organization. Indigenous people of Biafra is an identity of a people that are still existing within the Nigerian territory. They have the right, as well stated by the UN Charter for the right of indigenous people, people who have been existing before their colonization or before their transformation into a nation state. And that is what the Biafran people are. I am an indigenous person of Biafra, as much as everyone from the southeast or old eastern region. And we should be proud of our identity. The rising sun is not a crime. Biafra is not a crime. But you might be committing a crime under the Nigerian law if you identify yourself as a member of IPOB. Because being a member of IPOB makes you or puts you under the proscription by the Nigerian federal government. My only worry from the southeast is lack of leadership that will inspire our people to do what is right at this moment, to give our people a sense of leadership, because that is what we needed most. Leadership that will inspire our people to be proud of whom they are, irrespective of any form of intimidation and harassment. We need leadership that will inspire our people to be proud of our indigenous identity. As we continue to conduct ourselves within the frameworks of law and be able to agitate for self-determination of our right as indigenous people, as provided by the UN Charter. I want to use this opportunity to encourage you not to lose faith, but conduct yourself within the confines of the law. I'm also Chinwetalu Peters, always speaking up to give direction and leadership purpose for our people. Stay safe at all times. Bye-bye.